Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a Royaltie Gem update for 2019 and beyond. So you definitely want to stick with me throughout the rest of this video because I believe that you guys are going to love today's updates, all right? So with that being said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want more videos just like this. All right, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, guys, so we are on the Royaltie fan page. Pretty much this is where all the updates happen, and then I come back and I give you guys an update of what's really going on with Royaltie. So I'm actually pretty excited about today's updates because this is something that I've been waiting on, and this is something that I kept hearing come up. So this is big, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and go to it. So as you can see here, it says major feature announcement. Now that's coming on Friday, so I will be coming back with another update video to let you guys know what's going on. But today we're going to talk about today's huge feature. It's huge to me. All right, so let's scroll down. All right, so here we go. Feature updates today. You can now target by interest. So guys, I want you to think about this. So if you're familiar with Facebook ads, right? Because we know how big, Facebook is when it comes to targeting. They can target by interest. Guess what? So this is an all-in-one platform, guys. First off, you're able to build multiple landing pages. Okay, you're able to create a website. Secondly, you're able to automate with email autoresponders inside the same system. And now, well, we already had the advertising portion of it, but now you're going to be able to really target and get clear on the type of people that you want to put your message in front of. That is huge. Okay, that is huge, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use it. I'm going to go in the back office and pretty much break it down. Now, the other update, as you can see here, it says you can search contacts by email. Now, that's good, but for me, this one is huge. Okay, I felt like this was going to be the turning point for Royaltie. Right? Royaltie is already it's an amazing platform, but interest targeting is huge. All right, so let's actually go into the back office. I want to show you how this works. So this is the ad. So I'm going to go ahead and click into the ad. And I haven't changed it, guys. Like I'm saying, I'm giving you this update, and I'm going to go back in and change the targeting. All right, so this is huge. So this advanced ad targeting, the only thing that wasn't here before is the interest. So as you can see, the age was there, the ad schedule, that was there. But now, as you can see, there's the interest. So let's say, for instance, right, I'm selling Royaltie. Let's just give the example. If I'm selling Royaltie, I want to target people who are probably in what? Digital marketing, right? Who have some type of interest in digital marketing. So all I got to do is type the interest in there and hit the enter button. Boom, that one is there. Now, if I want to put something else in there, let's try to put affiliate marketing in there. All right, so affiliate marketing, and oh man, I can't spell today. Affiliate marketing, and then I just hit enter, right? All I have to do is just put the interest in there, and then it's going to allow me to target the people who have an interest in those specific things. Now, yes, those are broad, right? But digital marketing, affiliate marketing, I'm sure now that when my message shows, it's only going to be showing to those targeted people. That's a game changer for me. And I've literally been waiting for this feature for some time now. But one thing I love about Royaltie is that they listen to their customers and their affiliates, right? And then they take action on those things. So this is huge, guys. This is huge. Being able to just put the interest in there and hit the right people, okay? Huge. All right, so let's go to the next feature. Just want to show you guys how that pretty much works. Now, if I go into the contacts, the second feature is we go back over here was you can search contacts by email. So basically, if I want to type in the email, let's just type in my email because I do tests sometimes. So locothetruth1@gmail.com, and then if I hit enter, it's going to find my email. Boom. So I'll be able to find whoever it is that I'm looking for inside of my contact management system. So that's another feature. Like I said, that's good. But for me, the biggest update was the interest targeting. Now, I'm super curious, guys. I don't know what it is, right? But this major announcement that's going to be coming on Friday, as you can see, it says Friday at 12 a.m. So once that happens, guys, I will be coming back with another update video so you guys can see how this works. And as Royaltie continues to grow, guys, I just see it growing ridiculously huge, okay? I just see it right now, especially with the interest targeting, all right? And there's there's so much more to come. So definitely stay tuned. Now, if at any time you feel like, hey, Royaltie sounds like something I want to go ahead and make a move on. The link, it'll be the first link in the description. I left my Facebook in there. I left my phone number. You can either call or text me. It does not matter. I will pick up the phone. If I don't, I will call you guys back. And don't be shy. I will answer any questions that you have. All right, so with that being said, if you got something from today's video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It definitely helps the video. Also, drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think about today's update. And if you're ready to get started, click the link down below. Give me a call, shoot me a text, let me know. Say, hey, Rakeem, I'm started, and let's rock this thing, all right? All right, with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.